how to make a boat out of the bottom of a soda can. So you know how you have your soda can like this? I already ripped it off, but see how you have this? And then you rip off the bottom of it. It doesn't. See how it's like jagged edges? You gotta fold these backwards. Just fold them or like cut them off. But I prefer you to fold them, because if you cut them with scissors, it could ruin what you're doing. So once you folded them, you push them inward like this. See? And then, so you just fold all the insides inward to where it kind of looks like that. And then, here's your little boat. Here's the bottom of your boat. On your can. So here you have the bottom of the boat like this. And this is what your top should look like. Make sure you get all the rough, rugged edges off. If you want it to be jagged and stuff, you can add that, but it won't float as well. So you have your bottom. And if you want it to look like a sailboat, you can make it. You have to get a nail. So you drill your nail. It's kind of hard for the sailboat, but you drill your nail right in here. You drill it up, and it should come up right here. And you put a little piece of cut a towel, and you put it on there, and it will float. But if you want it to be like a army boat, let's just say. I like doing it. So you get this. You fold these, and then so they're folded just like this. So they're all folded. It should look like this. Is this what your top looks like? Like kind of trashy. Well, then it looks like this. You put it on the water and it should float. And actually, these are good for targets. You fold this up. If you have any Lego guys, so you fold this up, put it in your pool like this. You fold that end up, and you sit your guy down on right here. He's sitting, floating, and then suddenly, whap, whap, whoosh. Okay, so here's your boat. The seat. See your seat with this little thing floating up. So here's your little boat.